Hi, I'm Al Caudullo, the 3D guy, and this is Gary Shapiro, the president of the Consumer Electronics Association. Gary, how are you tonight?
I am absolutely fantastic.
Tell me a little bit about, this is your first 3D interview, I understand.
Well, I am making my own personal history as we speak. I've done about 20 interviews today already, and I've done a lot in my life, but this is my very first 3D interview. In fact, I think back to the first time I was there when a CD was played on a radio station, and this is right up there with that, going back to like 1983. And you know, I've been a lot of firsts, but the only thing I'm really thinking about is 3D is great, but my nose is so big. You know, could you do something with the editing?
Well, you know, as long as you don't get too close to the camera, we won't make it jump off the screen.
Wow, okay.
So let's talk a little bit about CES 2010, innovations, and then let's talk a little bit about the state of 3D and the Consumer Electronics Association.
Great. You know, I've been attending CES for almost 30 years now, and I've never been so excited about an event. And the reason I'm excited is because there's more innovation at this show than at any one in our history. You could see it in the record number of new exhibitors, 330, the record number of tech zones, and also in the announcements that are coming forth this week, from announcements about 3D technologies and networks to announcement of new wireless technologies and mobile television and everything. And I think what happened is that there's been some things like 3D have been building up over time, a lot of planning and coordination recently. Other things are every company in the last couple of years felt threatened. They felt that their future was at stake. And it's innovate or die in this industry. And every company is stepping up and innovating. Now, there's 200 companies fewer this year at the show than there were last year. 200 companies have gone away. And 330 new ones have come in. So you could do the math. I mean, it's a tough environment, but there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and it's going to come through innovation.
A lot of people have said that 2010 is going to be the year of 3D. What do you think about that?
Well, there's nothing that's the year of. You know, we're in the middle of a revolution with technology, and every day of a revolution, you don't wake up and all of a sudden there's a brighter sun out. It's a slow thing. It evolves. HDTV was phenomenal, revolutionary, and every year, this is the year of HDTV. You know what? It's still the year of HDTV. Last year was the year of HDTV. This year will be the first year that 3D is sold en masse. I mean, certainly Mitsubishi's been selling 3D-ready televisions, but wow, on the show floor, there's about 30 different companies showing TV sets for 3D. Movie theaters have proven that it works. There's a lot of research out there. 3D is something that's going to be out there big in the marketplace in 2010, or 2010 as we're calling it now.
You've gotten, you're kind of privy to a lot of things that are going on here. Anything in particular that excites you more than another thing right now?
That's like asking which one of your children are the best and the favorite. I'm just so excited with the plethora of product introductions and innovation that we're seeing. I mean, the excitement in this hall just tonight, even with the press preview for some of the most innovative products, and talking to some of the companies about what they're planning to do in the next 3 days to announce. It is truly overwhelming, whether they're car companies or telecommunications companies or traditional consumer electronics companies or startups, and we see a lot of them here. This is truly the show of opportunity. You know, we run this show with one theory, and that is anyone with a good idea should be able to come here for a very small amount of money and be able to expose it to literally hundreds of thousands of media like yourself, retailers, and investors. And that's what we're doing. This is the American dream come true, and we want to make this show for anyone with a dream to make it come true.
I think that's the perfect way to end the interview. Gary, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you, and best of luck with your 3D venture.
All right, thank you.